90% of B2B buyers are searching, comparing, and shortlisting right now, but not finding you. Why? Because even the best manufacturers make these 5 costly digital mistakes. Many exporters use websites as digital brochures, a basic homepage, and a PDF catalog. Modern buyers expect mobile-friendly websites with info that's easy to browse and cutting-edge UI/UX. Not optimizing your site for global SEO leads to low visibility in your target markets. LinkedIn is underused by exporters despite being a key B2B platform. Websites without proper call to actions, automation, or follow-up systems can struggle to convert visitors into customers. It's essential to have these elements in place to guide users through their journey and, maximize engagement. Spending heavily on trade shows while ignoring digital marketing. Fixing these 5 areas can drastically improve your visibility and lead flow. Even small improvements in your digital presence can lead to more serious inquiries and global opportunities. If you're ready to stop losing leads and start generating real global inquiries, it's time to take action. At Celestial Fix, we specialize in B2B digital marketing for exporters and manufacturers, building SEO-driven websites, LinkedIn strategies, and lead funnels that actually work. Let's turn your website into a lead machine and make sure international buyers find you, not your competitors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.